European stock markets are rather positive today. The main reason is that Germany and some other European countries are planning to ease restrictions imposed amid the coronavirus spread. However, currency traders ignored the market mood amid the US dollar climb. Traders of the euro have not even reacted to a deeper drop in the eurozone industrial production. In February, the indicator fell to 1.9% after a solid by 1.7% in the previous months. However, the data slightly exceeded the forecast. Figures for January and February were upwardly revised. Thus, according to the initial report for the previous period, the eurozone industrial production decreased by 1.9%, whereas the revised data showed a drop by 1.7%. Traders' zero reaction is mainly caused by the fact that it was February's report. At the moment, much figures are of primary importance. However, they will be published in months. At the same time, the US labor market situation attracts the markets more. Today's data on the US unemployment claims will reflect events that took place at the beginning of April. Economists are concerned about the number of continuing claims as it may show a new record high. Last week, the indicator reached its all-time high of 7,455,000 claims. Under the best-case scenario, number of continuing claims will be total 10.5 million. However, there is a high possibility that the real figures may significantly exceed the forecast. It means that the labor market state is getting worse. As a result, the US economy may face a lot of troubles and plunge into a massive recession. However, the US dollar goes on rising amid investors' attempts to avoid risks. The fact is that if the US economy is badly damaged, other economies may suffer even more. Moreover, the economic slump is always followed by recovery. Most analysts suppose that the US economy will be the first to spread its wings again. Yesterday, the euro-dollar pair broke the resistance level of 1.10 and resumed the downward movement. The pair dropped to the expected level of 1.0850. If the quote declines below 1.0850, the market mood will be mainly bearish. Otherwise, the pair will hover within the levels of 1.0850, 0925. Buy positions can be opened above 1.09 with a targeted level at 1.0925. Sell positions can be opened below 1.0850 with a target at 1.0800. The pound-dollar pair managed to test the psychological level of 1.2620 and moved to 1.2440. At the moment, the pair is trading near the level of 1.25. The quote is likely to fluctuate within the range of 1.2440, 1.2515, making an attempt to break it. Buy deals can be opened above 1.2520 with a targeted level at 1.2550, 1.2570. Sell positions can be opened below 1.2430 with a target at 1.2400, 1.2350. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast of the latest events. See you soon.